Welcome to the demonstration of visual product identification for blind. There are very few apps that are designed for visually challenged consumers, especially when they need help in shopping mall for searching a product. So we introduced this system which will be very big help in terms of technology to visually impaired consumers. This system works in two ways. Either the user can speak a product name and or by scanning a product barcode. If the product barcode is found, then system will give entire product detail and also provide shelf number and other details also like manufacturing date, expiry date, etc. This app is basically divided into two parts, admin part and user part. The admin part is responsible for adding and updating all the product details. So let's begin the admin part first. You can see here the list of products like Amul cheese slice, Armour butter toffee, etc. By clicking the product detail, admin has the authority to update and delete the product details. So let's start the user part.
Set language preference, say English for English and Hindi for Hindi after a beep.
English.
Thank you. Welcome to Help Me application. For scanning a product, say 1 and for voice search, say 2 after a beep.
2.
Say product name after a beep.
Amul cheese slice.
Product name is Amul cheese slice. Product price is 180. Shelf number is 2. Aisle number is 1. Manufacturing date is the 4th of January 2018. Expiry date is the 3rd of September 2018. To search again, say 1. Back to home, say 2. Exit the app, say 3. To repeat product details, say 4 after a beep.
2.
Welcome to Help Me application. For scanning a product, say 1 and for voice search, say 2 after a beep.
1.
Barcode scanner is started. Place the product under the phone. Expiry date is the 3rd of September 2018. To rescan, say 1. Back to home, say 2. Exit the app, say 3. To repeat product details, say 4 after a beep.
3.